it's Nikki D. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have another unboxing video for you guys from Glossybox. Glossybox is a monthly subscription that brings 5 new deluxe size beauty products every single month. And I'll leave my discount code in the description bar, and I'm just gonna start this video. So I'm not just gonna show you guys what I got in the box, and I haven't opened it yet. I'm actually gonna use the products and do my makeup today. The only products I have on my face is their oil from last month's beauty box, and I really love this. I just like the way it feels. I feel like I don't have to put lotion on when I use this, so I really do like that. So that's all I have on my face right now. This is how the box looks. All you hear is my son, so I'm sorry about that, but yeah, I have a son. A lot of you guys know that, so. This box is Makeup and Magic, which I'm really excited. It's all makeup beauty products. This is the pamphlet it comes with, and it shows you all the products in here and the description, how much it costs and everything. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm about to open it. I love the packaging. It's their original, just their Glossybox packaging, so it's really cute. The first item here is the eyeshadow palette. We're just gonna open it. How it looks like. I'm gonna be doing some swatches. So this is like your everyday makeup look, and it also has some shimmer, just, you know, you wanna spice it up a little bit, you know, not keep it so neutral, but I wanna put some sparkle in there. So the first one, that's the first color. That's the Sun Tone. I'm not gonna do the white one because that's just white. Like we all know, white is white. And that's the Selenite. So the one I have right here is a Sunstone. I don't know if you can tell. That one's a Aragonite. I don't know how to pronounce these, so don't make fun of me. But this one's more like a brown color. You can use this for your eyebrows. I would honestly use that for my eyebrows just because the hair color I do have, so I'm probably gonna use that for my eyebrows. The next one is a Tiger's Eye. This is just a dark brown. I just thought it was better of me showing you guys the colors with swatches instead of just putting it on or just showing you guys the palette. I think that's a lot better. So you guys can actually see the color. This one's a Rose Quartz. It's like a nice rosy color. The next one's a nice gold shimmery color. The next one is Amber. This is like a nice fall palette. There you go. And then we got black. You guys already know white and black. I don't have to show that. These are the swatches. So I'm gonna clean my hands off and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I just used the baby wipe and just wiped my hands off. So that was the eyeshadow palette, and I really like the packaging of it. It's really nice. It's very different. The next item we have is the Baggage Clean Gold Eye Mask. So it's just a face mask. You apply it onto clean, dry under eyes, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, and discard after use. Gently pat remaining serum into skin. And that's basically it. So I'm really excited. I should have used that first. Kind of tempting to use it right now, but kind of want to save it for the weekend. Since it's my birthday soon, I want to save it for the weekend and use it for that. I really like that Glossybox does pay attention a lot to the under eye circles, because a lot of us have dark under eye circles, like me. So the next item we have is the Mighty Patch. It's your blemish hero. I actually have a pimple right here. I haven't gotten a pimple, I want to say months, and this is my first pimple that I get, so I'm going to be using this. It works best on whiteheads. So you're basically just going to find your blemish, clean the blemish, and then apply the Mighty Patch, and then remove after it turns white. So you're going to have it on for at least 6 hours. That's the minimum. So I'll probably use this probably tomorrow because I need this pimple to go away. The next item, it also comes with the Rescue Balm. After you're done using the Mighty Patch, you're going to be using afterwards is the Rescue Balm. The Rescue Balm is supposed to speed up the healing, the skin healing. You place one patch over any breakout and leave for at least 6 hours. Once the blemish has reduced, apply the balm to affected area. So the next item is the Dose Ultra Precision Eyeliner. It's a waterproof eyeliner. It's a waterproof pencil eyeliner. It has a velvety smooth formula that glides on without pulling or tugging. You'll never have to worry about smearing again, which I'll be the judge of that, because I love wearing eyeliner, but I don't like to wear it just because it smudges all the time. Or if I wear foundation, for some reason, it just comes down. I don't know if it's because the foundation mixes with the eyeliner and it starts to smear, but I don't like it. So yeah, that's the eyeliner. You know, it's just a normal eyeliner. That's how the pencil looks. Really nice. And I like how I don't think you have to sharpen this. Actually, you might have to sharpen this. Okay, so now the last item in this box is the Spectrum Zodiac brush. It's a limited edition B07 brush. It's supposed to add definition to your eye makeup with the star-studded blending brush. So it's a blending brush. Its original price is $9, but you get it for cheaper if you get the subscription. I'm just gonna open it up for you guys. It's nice and black and gold. Feels nice also on skin. So that's it for the box. Just have all this stuff right here. So I'm just gonna do my makeup. So I'm not putting any foundation on just because I don't want to put any foundation on my face. Since I do have work afterwards, I just not about to do that. So I'm just gonna start off with my eyebrows, and I will be using the palette to do my eyebrows. Since I did change my hair color, I can't use black, because before I was using black and dark brown eyeshadow to do my eyebrows, and now I'm going to change it up to using brown. So I'm just going to get my brow pencil, my brow brush, and I'm going to be using this color right here and mixing it with this color, and I'm going to do my eyebrows. So yep. As you can see, I don't really do much to my eyebrows. I just fill it in a little bit. It's not even a lot that I be doing, because I already have thick eyebrows, so I don't need to pencil in a lot. I just like to do the ends, because a long time ago when I got my eyebrows done, they messed up my eyebrows. They took a lot of hair off my ends, and I feel like it has never grown back the same. All right, it looks good to me. So next I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I don't even know what I want to do. If I want to go pink or I want to go brown. We're gonna go brown. So I'm gonna be using the same brown I used for my eyes. But first I'm gonna use a different palette. Actually, I'm just gonna apply this and put it on my eyes. So I primed my eyelids, and I'm just going to start with the brown that I already used originally. I'm gonna put that on my eyelid. Don't mind the brushes I'll be using either. I just be doing my makeup like all crazy. Like I said before, I'm not a makeup artist. I just do whatever looks nice on me and just go with the flow. Now, if I'm going to like a party or anything, then yes, of course, I'm going to use the correct brushes, nice makeup and everything, but I'm just going to work. Like, I don't be wearing makeup to work really. I like to keep it neutral because I'm in a room with just people, no one sees me. But I also like to look presentable, but not put too much on. I do like the eyeshadow. It does look like it sticks on, so I do like that. I'm just gonna be putting the amber color brown, the shimmery brown amber, on top of my eyelids. And then I'm gonna be using the darker brown at the end of my eyelids just to bring in the whole color together. But so far, I really like this. And like I said before, I don't know a lot about makeup. I'm not good at, like, I'm not the best at it, of course. I would even consider myself great. I will consider myself pretty amateur, basic. But I've never had anyone really complain about my makeup, so that's all I care about. If I don't like my makeup, usually I just take it off right away. Because I know when something doesn't really look that nice on me, So now I'm going to be using the Tiger's Eye, the dark brown. So I'm going to be using that at the end. I know it looks very dark and everything, but I'm going to be using their I'm going to be using Glossybox blending brush. I'm going to blend it all together. It's going to look all nice. But I really like this palette so far. It's very nice. Obviously, it would have looked better if I used it correctly. Like if I took my time on the eyeshadow, it would look a lot better. Maybe I'll do a video with having my friend who's really into makeup, doing her makeup with Glossybox products. She doesn't have a YouTube channel or anything. She just doesn't want to make one, but she knows how to do makeup very well. By the way, I'm using the blending brush. She knows how to do her makeup very well. And I'm probably gonna do a video on her trying out their products and her being the judge of it. Got some eyebrows. I think I blended it pretty good, so I really like this look. So I'm just gonna put it together by using their eyeliner. So I thought about it, I looked myself in the mirror, and I'm like, if I'm gonna be doing this makeup look, I might as well do the whole look as if I was going to use this. Because I will be using this palette because I really like it. I just love the packaging. I think it's really cute. But yeah, I'm going to do my foundation and I'll be right back with you guys. I'm not going to record that just because I don't see any sense of using a product that's not Glossybox in the video. So I'm just going to be doing my foundation and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. Don't put that in, Jeff. All right, so I'm back. I did my foundation real quick. I feel like it did tie the whole look together though, so I like that. Now I'm just gonna be putting on is the eyeliner from Glossybox. And just to remind you guys, this is waterproof. I'm hoping it doesn't smudge. I already put the eyeliner under my eyes and I'm gonna be putting it up on the top. I don't know if it really makes a difference. I just like it. So I'm gonna be doing that. I honestly wish I knew how to do the wing eyeliner because I feel like that would look really nice with this look. I just don't know how to do it, so. But so far, I like the way this feels, but of course, I'm not gonna know if it actually smudges or not, but I'll probably let you guys know in my next video if it does smudge or not. But yeah, so now I'm gonna put my mascara on and then that'd be it for the video for you guys. You guys can see how nice it looks. I look cute. For lips. What am I gonna use for lips? I use this one. Alright, so that was it for the video. This is the finished look. Now, like I said before, this is a monthly beauty subscription. If you're trying to get into beauty and you're not sure where to start, I think this would be a great subscription for you guys, just because you do get a little bit of everything and then you start learning. And also, it comes with a pamphlet that tells you exactly what the product is. So make sure you guys get this subscription. My discount will be down below in the description bar. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.